Tired of getting errors when creating Seedance 2 videos with real faces? In this video, I'll show you two platforms, one paid and one free, that let you generate Seedance 2 AI videos without any face-related errors. Alright, so this is platform number 1. Once you're inside this platform, you don't just get Seedance 2. You get access to every major AI tool on the market. It's basically an all-in-one AI hub. Upload your image here. Then type your prompt in the box below. By the way, you can get Seedance prompts on the Telegram channel. I've pasted this prompt. Now I just need to modify it for my specific use case. And the most important part is this line where I reference my image. That's what tells the AI which face to use. Choose your aspect ratio. Pick your duration. Select the model. Tap Generate. It takes around 3 minutes for a 5-second clip. And look, no error for real face use. That's platform 1. Paid, but reliable, fast, and zero face restrictions. The second platform is Flova AI. On Flova AI, you get weekly free credits, plus bonus credits, plus credits for inviting others. When you land on the homepage, tap on the model option. Choose Seedance 2 from here. Now paste your prompt. Attach your image with this plus icon. Lastly, tap Generate. Unlike any other platform I've tested, Flova AI creates a storyboard first, before generating the final video. Both platforms work perfectly with real faces on Seedance 2. But if you want free, unlimited access, don't miss the video on your screen.